Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to start coordinate geometry. First we define what is Cartesian plane. The Cartesian plane is formed by two perpendicular number lines, x-axis and y-axis. Cartesian plane means the Cartesian plane is formed by two perpendicular lines, x-axis and y-axis. Origin 0, 0 is the point where both axes meet. X-axis means horizontal line, y is equal to 0. Y-axis means vertical line, x is equal to 0. Abscissa is called x-coordinate and ordinate is called y-coordinate. X-axis means y is equal to 0 and y-axis means vertical line, x is equal to 0. What is quadrant? In Cartesian plane, there are four quadrants, first quadrant, second, third and fourth. In first quadrant, both x-axis and y-axis are positive. In second quadrant, x-axis is negative, y-axis is positive. In third quadrant, both x-axis and y-axis are negative. And in fourth quadrant, x-axis is positive, y-axis is negative. For example, point 3, 4. Both x-axis 3, 4, 3 belong to point x-axis and y. The number in the form of ordered pairs like x, y, x is 3, y is 4. Both x and y are positive lies in first quadrant and point -2, -5. Both x and y are negative lies in third quadrant. Representation of points. A point is represented as P of x, y, where x is the abscissa and y is the ordinate. For example, point x, y, x is 5, y is -1, move 5 unit right and 1 unit down. And point -4, 3, x is -4, y is 3, move 4 unit left and 3 unit up. Like origin, start origin, move 4 unit left and 3 unit up. What is polar coordinate? In polar coordinate, a point is represented as P of r, theta. Conversion formula for polar coordinate: x is equal to r cos of theta, y is equal to r sin of theta. R square equal to x square plus y square. If r is equal to 5 and theta is equal to 0 degree centigrade, then point is 5, 0. In polar coordinate, the point is represented as P of r, theta. X is equal to r cos of theta, y is equal to r sin of theta. What is r? R is equal to x square plus y square. R is equal to under root x square plus y square. R square is equal to x square plus y square. If r is equal to 10 and theta is equal to 90 degree centigrade, then the point is 0, 10. If r is equal to 5 and theta is equal to 0 degree centigrade, then the point is 5, 0. And if r is equal to 10, theta is equal to 90, then the point is 0, 10. Midpoint formula. The midpoint between A and B, like A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2, is midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Midpoint means the sum of x1, x2 divided by 2 and the sum of y1 plus y2 divided by 2. A is equal to 2, 4 and B is equal to 6, 8. The midpoint is 2 plus 6, 8. 8 divided by 2, 4 plus 8, 12 divided by 2. Midpoint means midpoint is equal to 4, 6. A is equal to -2. B is x1 is equal to -2. Y1 is equal to 3. And the second point, B of x, y, x1 is equal to 4. X2 is equal to 4. Y2 is equal to 7. Midpoint is equal to -2 plus 4 divided by 2. -2 plus 4 equal to 2. 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. नेक्स्ट है आपके पास डिस्टेंस फार्मूला। डिस्टेंस फार्मूला ए point A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 y2 equal to distance formula AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. Point A is 0 comma 0 and B is 3 comma 4. Distance is x आपके पास क्या है 0, x1 है 0, y1 है 0, x2 है आपके पास 3 और y2 है आपके पास 4. डिस्टेंस फार्मूला x2 माइनस x1 का होल स्क्वायर 3 माइनस 0 होल स्क्वायर 4 माइनस 0 होल स्क्वायर 3 का स्क्वायर 9 4 का स्क्वायर 16 16 प्लस 9 25. अकॉर्डिंग टू डिस्टेंस फार्मूला द डिस्टेंस ऑफ AB इज इक्वल टू 5. x1 1, y1 2, x1 x2 4, y2 6. 4 minus 1 equal to 3, 3 का स्क्वायर 6 minus 2 4, 6 minus 2 4 का स्क्वायर 3 का स्क्वायर 9 4 का स्क्वायर 16 16 प्लस 9 25. अगेन आपके पास डिस्टेंस फार्मूला अकॉर्डिंग टू डिस्टेंस फार्मूला डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू 5. What is section formula? Section formula internal division m1 first slope x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Point A 2 comma 2 6 comma 6 in ratio 1 ratio 1. Point is equal to 4 comma 4. Point A x1 1 y1 3 x2 5 y2 7 in ratio 2 ratio 1. Point is equal to 3 comma 5. Slope of a line. Slope of a line is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. A point A of x1 comma y1, B of x2 y2, A of 2 comma 3, B of 4 comma 7. Slope is equal to x y2 minus y1. y2 7, y1 3. 7 minus 3 4, x2 4, x1 2. x2 4, x1 2. 4 minus 2 2. 7 minus 3 4. 4 divided by 2. Slope is equal to 2. And x1 1, y1 5, x2 3, y2 5. Slope is equal to 0. Use this formula. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Slope of a line. Equation of a line. Standard form of equation of line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Slope intercept form y is equal to mx plus c. M is called the slope. How we calculate slope? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. C is called constant. Y is equal to mx plus c. Point slope form y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Line with slope 2. Slope of a line is 2 and y-intercept 3. Y-intercept 3. Slope intercept form y is equal to mx plus 3. Slope m is equal to 2. Y-intercept 3 means y is equal to 2x plus 3. Through 1 comma 2 with slope 3. 1 comma 2 with slope 3. M is equal to 3 like x minus x1. So y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. M is equal to 3, y1 2, x1 1. Y minus 2 equal to 3 into x minus x1. Parallel and perpendicular lines. In case of parallel lines, slope for m1 equal to m2, and in case of perpendicular lines, product of slope m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Y is equal to 2x plus 3 and y is equal to 2x minus 5 are parallel. 2x plus 3 and y is equal to 2x minus 5. Y is equal to 2x plus 3 and y is equal to 2x minus 5 are parallel. m1 equal to m2. Both line slopes are equal. Y is equal to mx plus c. M is equal to 2, y is equal to mx plus c, m is equal to 2, y intercept form 5. y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x. In this case, m is equal to 1 and in this case, m is equal to minus 1. Product of two slopes are equal to minus 1. So these lines are perpendicular. Angle between two lines.